In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change a lead owner in Zoho CRM. This is an essential skill for anyone managing leads within Zoho CRM, as it allows you to reassign responsibilities swiftly and efficiently. Let's walk through the process step by step, ensuring you have a smooth transition when changing the lead owner. First, you'll want to open Zoho CRM and navigate to the Leads tab. This is your hub for managing all potential clients and customers. Once you're in the Leads tab, you'll see a list of all your existing leads. Scroll through or use the search function to find the specific lead you need to reassign. Clicking on the lead's name will open its detail page, where you can view all relevant information about this particular lead. The next step is to click on the Edit button, which you'll find prominently displayed on the lead's detail page. This might feel like a simple click, but it's your gateway to making any adjustments or updates to the lead's information. By entering the edit mode, you are granted the ability to modify a variety of fields that capture important details about the lead. Now, let's focus on finding the lead owner field. This field is crucial, as it determines who in your organization is responsible for this particular lead. It's typically presented as a drop-down menu, offering a list of all available users within your Zoho CRM account who can take over responsibility for the lead. Scroll through this list to find the appropriate person you wish to assign as the new lead owner. Carefully select this new owner, ensuring that you've chosen the right individual based on their role, availability, or familiarity with the lead. Once you've selected the new lead owner, it's time to save your changes. Even though it might seem like a minor detail, this step is crucial in confirming and recording your update. Click the Save button, typically located at the bottom or top right corner of the page, to cement the changes. By doing so, you're officially reassigning the lead to the new owner, and from here on out, they will be the point of contact and will manage further interactions with the lead. And there you have it. You've successfully reassigned a lead in Zoho CRM. This process empowers your team to be agile and responsive, ensuring the right people are handling the right leads at all times. Plus, it helps maintain that all-important customer relationship by ensuring leads are managed smoothly. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Be sure to explore more ways to optimize your use of Zoho CRM, and don't hesitate to adjust lead owners as often as needed to keep your workflow running